Okay, we're going to go into our language lesson now, and we're beginning with our phonics, and we're going to be drilling charts. I'm not going to go ahead and do 6 since I think most of the children know it, but I am going to go ahead and review you with charts 7 and some of the words on chart 8, which is our brand new one. So we're going to start with chart 7, burr in bride, burr in bride, dur in drum, dur in drum, purr in pray, purr in pray, gur in grin, gur in grin, sm in smoke, sm in smoke, sk in scat, sk in scat. Now SC and SK sound the same, but they're spelled different. Sk in skate, sk in skate, sp in spate, sp in spate, cur in crab, cur in crab, tw in twins, and then we go to the ones with 3 letters, spool in splash, spur in sprain, skr in scream, squat in squeak, snip in snack, sl in sleep, and here's another one with 3, stir in stream, stir in stream, and swa in swim. Okay, now moving to the new one, which is chart 3. We've not done this at all, so this is new to the children. They may know some of the sounds already because some of them are super advanced already. So we're going to start on chart 8 with thra in 3, thra in 3, and then R in stars. This is the one we have on our spelling word list too, on ark and bark. R in stars, ch in church, or in morning, ow in out. And I'm just going to show you a few words over here on the board. I'm going to come this way and show you, as I mentioned on your blog, for you guys to go ahead and mark some letters and sounds. So you can write these on a piece of paper for them. And it doesn't have to be these. You can find your own words that have the special sounds, but just so the children will continue to know how to mark. We're going to practice marking right here. And I'm going to start with the first line here, since it's a brand new sound. Remember that R in car is a special sound. So boys and girls, how are we going to mark this? Oh, great. Okay, with a circle. Super. Okay, R in car. Here we go to another one. And the sound is in the middle of this word. R, So how are we going to mark it? Correct, right in the center. Farm, A-R, farm. And then we have a short one. Art, art. That one begins with a special sound. So we're going to circle it. And then we're going down here. Okay, now let me see. Leah, how many special sounds do you see in this word? Great, you said 2, good. Okay, so we're gonna go st, R, t, and the word is start. And then, Lacey, do you see the special sound on this word? Okay, how am I gonna mark it? Correct, you said circle the middle there, okay. And the word is bark. Thank you, Lacey. Okay, then we have another one here. Noelani, can you do this one? That's right. The sound is right in the middle. And the word is part. Part. Okay, good. Now we're moving this way. Here's one of our old sounds. Maurice, can you help me with this? What would I circle? Oh, thra. Thrill. Actually, I made a mistake. This is from our new chart, from chart 8. But the kids were up on it already because I had kind of gone ahead for them. Okay, so this word is thrill, and it's a 1-vowel word. Now here, we see a 2-vowel word. And, Annabelle, How am I going to mark this? That's right, T-H-R. And how many vowels do you see? Oh, good, 2. So we're going to go long and silent. Don't forget, parents, to remind them that rule. When there's one vowel in the word, it will usually say it's short sound. But if it's a special sound like this, of course, it will just say it's special sound. So the word is throne. And here we have another one. And we're going to move to Anaya. Anaya, which letters am I going to circle? Yes. Oh, great. Okay. T-H-R. And how many vowels do you see? Yes. So it's going to be long and silent. Correct. Thank you, Anaya. Great job. Okay. Moving on to Nathan. Oh, here we go, Nathan. Here's one of our old ones. Yes. Okay, great. So this one has 2. And I, because I makes a sound of Y, and the word is sky. Sky. Okay. And then we're going to move on to the next word, which is sn. It. So that's an old sound, snit, and it's a 1 vowel word. So you're going to mark it with a happy sound. And we have another one. This is an old sound too. Full. And you mark it long and silent. And class, what do you say? Sleep. Correct. Okay, great. Now we're moving here. And this one also has 2 special sounds. We have per and AY says, what does it say, class? Correct. A in pray. So the word is pray. Okay, here's one of the little ones. A lot of times the kids got confused when we started with those. They just had a hard time remembering, but that's why it's important that we review old sounds from chart 6 also, because this is a short word, and the way we say it is O in go. It will say it's long sound, but you mark it as a special sound. You're not going to mark it as a vowel. And then the same thing with E in me. It's saying it's long sound, but it's a special sound. And then we have one of those three letter words. So what is the special sound on this, class? Oh, great. That's right. Okay, everybody together. And we're going to mark it S-C-R. And how many vowels do we see? 2. Long and silent. And the word is scream. Okay, great. And parents, this is the way you can do it. Just go ahead and have them. And then on these, like these little ones from chart 6, remind them that they're not going to mark it as a vowel because it's a special sound. So it's very important that they remember that and keep on reviewing your 3 charts. On chart 8, I really don't want you to go real fast because it's new. And some of the kids might already know, but just real quick, we're going to review one more time. And this is thra in 3. And there are many other words like thrash, thrill, throne, many words that you can do with your children, but you can have those words of your choice and then do it on a paper with them as a review. And R in stars, R in harp, barn, charm, and then we have ch in church, ch in church. And there's words like cheek, chain, and here it is at the end of the word, ranch. And then we're just gonna go up to or in morning, or in morning. And words like storm, north, corn, horse, lord, and porch. So if you can work on those, and then you just move up slowly. This is owl in out. And I do want to talk about these 2 because these 2, even though they're spelled the same, have a different sound. This is ow, O-W, ow, in owl. And this is O in bowl, O in bowl. So even though they're spelled the same, they have different sounds. So if you just kind of stay like on this side for this 2 weeks, I think it would be great, because then we'll eventually move to ER, UR, and IR, which are 3 different spellings, but they do have the same sound. Thank you, parents. Okay,